Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a review on Dropship.io. I'm going to do an in-depth review of the platform so that by the end of this video you will have a complete perspective around features, pricing, pros and cons to decide if this is the platform that you want for dropshipping. So Dropship.io developed an integrated suite of capabilities, striving to alleviate many blocks that sellers encounter trying to build operations solo. And their vision is to become the centralized operating system empowering entrepreneurs to efficiently streamline dropshipping by providing the best-in-class technology and resources, so focuses remain exclusively on marketing and delivering versus playing catch-up on supply chain disasters. And those are a lot of promises for sure, but what specifically makes their platform stand out? Let's look at some of the key pillars. So one of Dropship.io's biggest differentiators is granting access to their ever-growing product database categorized across over 50 sectors. You can leverage suitable data points around yearly or monthly sales revenue, recent customer ratings, launch date, number of available variants, estimated production costs, and search volumes. And this kind of information converts previously blind product speculation into informed decisions using hard performance data, helping identify winning listings with proven demand in aligned niches. Guessing what consumers may want is replaced by objectively evaluating what they have been buying based on key indicators that are tied closely to ROI viability. It gives you more of a confidence boost. There is also the competitor store research, as vetting products in isolation is only part of the equation. You also need to assess competitor activities within your niche to make positioning judgments. And Dropship.io allows reverse engineering top stores segment by segment to uncover elements around their pricing strategies, shipping configurations, discount applications, bundling offers, and catalog compositions. These insights aid enormously in shaping initial go-to-market plans based on the current leader approaches within categories while still leaving room for creative additions. And there's of course the automated order fulfillment. So operationally, Dropship.io strives to eliminate the frequent seller nightmare of manually tracking orders across channels and then relaying to various suppliers for fulfillment. Instead, they seamlessly integrate major commerce platforms like Shopify with supplier inventories to auto-route the orders for packaging and shipment once sales are made without any seller effort required. Customized tracking information, statuses, and notifications are also auto-generated to retain full transparency across the complex sequence. This promises the operational heavy lifting commonly draining seller sanity that can become a turnkey background process that you don't need to stress over as you can focus on other priorities. Next up, there's the robust analytics suite. Business intelligence, while dry on the surface, remains imperative for calculated decision-making around campaigns, product management, customer segmentation, and overall growth steering. Dropship.io seems to acknowledge the analytics importance, constructing customized dashboards, conveying macro trends down to micro-conversion details on elements such as the sales velocity tracking, lead attribution, visitors metrics, fulfillment benchmarks, and so much more. And with these insights, you gain amplified visibility to optimize funnel friction points, adjust product mix, double down on high LTV segments, and confidently scale spends correlated to metrics demonstrating traction. And of course, while Dropship.io checks many boxes on paper, offering a really compelling value proposition, no solution or platform is perfect, so let me talk about the requiring consideration or pitfalls. First of all, we have the migration frictions. So if you have an existing business operations in play, while the long-term efficiencies gained from consolidating onto Dropship.io seem clear, the migration curve itself brings disruptions. So from exporting product, order, customer data, evaluating new automations, reconfiguring workflows, and learning unfamiliar systems, you would have to expect some transitional pains needing mitigation, planning even with the customer support guidance. So if you are actually looking to transfer to Dropship.io, definitely plan accordingly. Ongoing platform reliability. Dropshipping at scale requires absolute supply chain reliability with zero room for error. And while Dropship.io boasts strong uptime and redundancy for now as a growth phase startup, until tested, supporting thousands of sellers simultaneously, placing full dependency on their databases, and third-party syncs poses some risk if not supplemented with in-house redundancies as well. Next up, understandably as a young company, much of their UI/UX design seems tailored primarily for desktop usage to access in-depth inventory analytics, campaign data, and fulfillment tools. However, not optimizing for mobile out of the gates nowadays could hinder the adoption for the on-go sellers who need access dashboards and order notifications rapidly. So anticipating frustrations here is wise until mobile apps fully catch up. And lastly, make no mistake, while Dropship.io simplifies countless aspects of synchronizing the moving parts involved with e-commerce operations, you still need solid foundational knowledge around branding fundamentals, creating great offers, optimizing funnels, differentiating positioning, interpreting reports, and more to actually leverage the toolset beneficially. There are no shortcuts around educating yourself on contemporary marketing frameworks if your goal is building a sustainable business. Dropship.io manages complexity but hardly does the selling for you. You have to put in the work. And that will be a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions. And if you actually thought about giving Dropship.io a shot, then definitely be sure to check the link in our description box down below. It will grant you access to the tool with no additional costs to you. So if you enjoyed today's video, definitely give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content related to this one.